What's up, Knuckle Buster? Today I'm going to talk about the type certificate data sheet, and I'm going to briefly go over what it is. So what is it, right? It's your birth certificate for your aircraft, and it has a bunch of information there, like what's its limits and what components are in it, weight and balance information, and all this has been approved by the FAA. So it's all in this sheet. So how do I find it? So in here, when you're doing this for your practical, you put TCDS 3812 is pretty popular. It's a Cessna 172, and as you can see, go through it pretty good. So there's a little highlighted link here. You're on your FAA website. Go there, pull the PDF, and I think the next thing is what's in it, right? So let's say it's all the different types of Cessnas, engine fuel type, engine limits, propeller limits, and stuff like that. So let's say it asks you, what's the limits for your elevator, movements in degrees, right? So let's say that's your practical. So you'll go online, find it on the FAA website. Let's go to just a regular model 172, and then here, control surface movement, elevator. Up 28 degrees, down 26 degrees, and boom, you checked off. So again, your type certificate data is like the birth certificate of your aircraft. It has all this airspeed, center of gravity range, the type of fuel, and all that jazz. So if you get this on your practical, look it up online. Usually that's how it is. Get the TCDS model number and input that, and you find it. Get that elevator question, and boom, you're done. So these are one of the most important information you will need when you're doing any kind of maintenance. So hopefully that was helpful. Thank you.